Hi there, I'm Jules from TheStoneSoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. Okay, so I've had my bacon. I've got 4 slices of bacon, just that have been chopped, and just had them cooking down on a medium-high heat for a couple of minutes till all the fat's rendered out and they're lovely and starting to go crispy, but I don't want it to be super too crispy, if you know what I mean. So I like it, a bit brown, starting to stick a bit in the bottom. That's fine. Then I've got my broccoli. I'm just using some frozen broccoli that I've just let to defrost. So 500-gram packet. You could use fresh broccoli, just blanch it first, and if your broccoli's still, like I've let mine defrost, if your broccoli's still frozen, just let it sit in some boiling water for a few minutes and then drain it, and then you can use it. You want it to be defrosted when you pop it in the pan, and important to drain it if you're using frozen. So then we're just going to give this a good stir, and then I'm going to get my garlic in. So I've got 2 nice big cloves. I'm in a bit of a garlicky mood today. So you could chop this if you prefer. I just love this. Makes it nice and easy. Oh, it smells amazing. And we just want to cook this for a few minutes. I'm going to cook it with the lid on for a few minutes, just to heat the broccoli up and just make sure it's nice and tender. So the broccoli's been in just for a couple of minutes, and I'm going to give it a stir. You can see one of the things with frozen broccoli is lots of liquid always comes out, but that's fine. It'll make a nice sauce. And just have a feel. Knife. Yeah, it feels nice and tender. It doesn't have to be super tender, so I'm just going to get it off the heat. And then I'm going to get in my cheese. So I've got just a couple of handfuls of grated Parmesan, and that's going to melt in the pot there and make a really lovely cheesy, gooey, good sauce. And we'll give it a squeeze of lemon, just like a tablespoon, or if you want it a bit fresher, maybe a couple of tablespoons. This lemon's not very juicy. That will do. And then I'm just going to have a taste, season with a bit more salt if it needs it, may not, from all the bacon that's in there, and serve it with extra Parmesan on top. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's TheStoneSoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.